This tiny house has a dimension of 4 meters by 6 meters, having 2 levels building. The lower level and upper level. The lower level consists of living, dining, kitchen, toilet and bath with walk-in closet, and service area. While the upper level has a loft bedroom. Estimated cost of this house categorized into two. The low-end finish cost 240,000 Philippine pesos or 4,800 US dollar. While the high-end finish cost of 920,000 Philippine pesos or 19,000 US dollar. If you enjoy this video, give us a like. Drop your comment below if you have question or request for the next video. Subscribe now. Hit the bell button to get notified for new creation. See you on the next video.